Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. Welcome back to BCM 3203 Computer Game Programming 2. As for this video, we will go for project briefing and how to publish for the WebGL. Okay, so I will start with the asset first. First, you can use any of the 3D graphic from Unity Asset Store or other links with some modification. It's make your development easier, isn't it? So, again, with some modification. You can use the existing one, but do some modification because you want to develop your games. Or you may design your own 3D graphics using Maya, Photoshop, and etc. Or even you can develop them inside the Unity. Once done, you can import all the graphics into the Unity. That is in terms of the 3D graphics. The second one is the audio. You may use any of the free audio available in the website or in other browser, or you may create your own audio to give more effects to your game. Like decide what are the audio of the colliding. If there is some explosion, what are the audio you need to put to the explosion part. But remember, please control the volume so it match with your game environment. The next ones, I will brief you how I'm planning for you guys. So you can expect some progress check during this phase. Alright, I divide them into three phases, which is the phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1 is more on design and import. You need to take about week 6 until week 8 to do the designing. Focus on designing the game characters, your game world, and also the game object for the obstacle, for the punishment, for the reward, and etc. At this phase, you really need to focus on designing. Choose what are the character you want to do. And then also keep your works organized. In the project folder inside the Unity, okay, for example, let's go back to our Unity. In here, please be more organized. So always create a new folder for each of them. For example, the scene folder, and then for the asset folder, and you may have some prefabs folder and so on. So make sure be organized. And also standardize the Unity version used among the members. My recommendation, I recommend you to use at least version 2017 and latest. You may use the 2019. I have no problem with that, but make sure it's standardized among your members. And then during this phase, you are working on the game development without animation and scripting element. Remember, just focus on designing and choosing the right audio for your games. Also, you may use the standard assets that are available in the Unity asset to help you with the environment and scene. And the most important part also, please manage the logic of your game from one level to another level. Got it? Okay. Now, for phase 2, then we will go for the animation and scripting. You will take about from week 9 until week 12 to finish your animation and scripting. If during this week you are still struggling with your designing or with your design of your game characters or your game environment, then it will be difficult. So my advice, try to finish all the design phase during week 8. Finalize everything. If you need to do some amendment during that, then you can do some adjustment or amendment or the correction. It's okay. But make sure when we go to week 9, you can proceed with animation and scripting. You can play around with the effects and audio component to enhance the quality of your games. And this is the time where you are writing a script for the game, including the game manager and the AI scripting. Don't worry about the game manager. Inshallah, I show you or I share with you some coding on the game manager and you can modify the scripting so that it suits with your game. And the last phase is the phase 3. During this phase, we will go for the combine of your project, build them, and troubleshoot the game. So from week 13 until week 16, you will combine the game using the game manager. So during this part, you will assign, okay, once the level game is game over, it should restart back the game. And if the player managed to win the game, so it will proceed to the next game, and so on. And then during this phase also, you will build the game using the WebGL format and test the game. I'll show you later on how to publish your work in the WebGL format. And also during this phase 3, before the demonstration part, you need to troubleshoot the game. So to make things easiest, the demonstration will be done using the WebGL format. Okay, so now let's go for the publishing using the WebGL. Unity WebGL is built allow you to render the 3D graphics in a web browser without the need for additional tools or plugs in. When you publish a WebGL build, the Unity will build a HTML5 or JavaScript program in which you can deploy the program online for users to access in a web browser. Okay, how to prepare your projects for WebGL. Now let's go back to the Unity. Okay, first make sure you save the scene. Save the scene. For example, I name it as car. Save the scene here. And then file. Go to the build setting, or you may Ctrl Shift B. And here choose the WebGL. Kan ada banyak. There are so many kind of platform. So choose the WebGL here. And then click the switch platform. So we need to wait for a minute. Okay. Now add the open scene. So if you want to combine the level 1, level 2, level 3, you need to open them in the scene so that you can add all the open scene inside this one. And then you can, oh yeah, for the development build, if you enable this checkbox, you can create a debug version of the program with tools to help you identify errors. This option can be useful when you need to troubleshoot your program. So if you want to troubleshoot your program, so you can check this checkbox. But for this, I don't want to do that. So I just keep it like this. The next one is go to the player setting. In this player setting, you can change the company name. So you can decide what are the name of your company and then the product's name. And also go to the resolution and presentation, and you can set the canvas white, the height, and the background, and choose the template. So basically, I choose the default template. One does this. So you have already complete that. If you need the icon, so here you can select the icon and select the cursor and everything. And then click build and run. So make sure to create a new folder named build. Sorry. Okay, create one folder for build and then select the folder and run. So it will create the WebGL format for you. It may take some time, so please wait. Okay, once complete the build function, this is what you get. So see, so you may play your game here. Okay, that's it. And to use the program in your own website, simply copy all of the build file to your web space, retaining the same directory structure. And to integrate the program with your website's looks and feel, you can customize the HTML5. So that's it for the WebGL. So I hope in future, for our lab assessment and also for the game development, practice using WebGL instead of building them in the Unity format. So you can share this link and submit the file, submit the WebGL file to the submission folder together with the zip file of your project. If you have any problem or if you have any question regarding this, don't hesitate to reach me. Thank you very much, and see you guys on the next video. Thank you.